Every generation builds the infrastructure of its time. Every line on the page carries a responsibility to use resources wisely and return value to the community. The question is not whether technology will advance. It will. The question is how responsibly we choose to build it. Intelligent engineering considers not only what a structure will produce, but what it will require. Thoughtful engineering considers what a design will consume and how responsibly it uses those resources. The future is not built by taking more. It is built by designing better.
The broadband initiative that Switch took over from the Nevada Hospital Association has impacted the entire state. People can get the care that they normally would have to drive hundreds and hundreds of miles for.